Good morning for this Monday, November 25th, week of Thanksgiving. So hope everyone has a great week ahead of you. So the first chart we're looking at the stock, if you recall, EOG. I did this Friday afternoon actually. Friday afternoon. I thought set up pretty nice. You can see a bullish engulfing pattern, close near the high. Look at open and close near the high of the bar. Right, it was an engulfing pattern. It took out the Thursday's low and then reversed back up. I definitely saw that as being very bullish. Today opened up, came down, pretty much took me out right below the low. So, again, I wasn't risking much. I mean, for stock was long at $169.63, risking $2.48, but looking to make $7.46 on that first objective. So that was a 3-to-1 risk to reward. One point I want to make, the larger your risk to reward when you first put on a trade, the winning percentages obviously go down, right? Right? I mean, it's just obvious. Again, if you're putting on a trade that you're looking to make 3 times what you're initially risking, your winning percentage definitely drops. There's no doubt about that. Okay, if you're looking at a 1-to-1 when you first put on a trade, the percentages definitely go higher. But I love trades when you're able to start off a trade, looking to make 3 times as much as you're risking. I mean, I'll take that all day long. So the bottom line is this trade simply didn't work out. The market fell back. We've tested these lows. I'm going to keep this on my watch list, but it was a losing trade, right? So that's just part of the game. I've got another potential low risk trade coming here. AMGN, AMGN, right? Look at this. Again, we've dropped back. We've tested these lows right here. We created a real tight bar on Friday, right? A real tight bar, an inside pattern. If the market's able to take out that 113.50, 113.70, I think could be a nice buy. And quite honestly, if we take out and trigger at 113.70, then your stop could be literally below today's intraday low if we go up and take that out. So either below today's intraday low at 112.46 to 112.26, or below Friday's low at 112, let's say 112.03. I mean, again, you're not risking a whole lot. Again, for a stock that's trading over $100, to risk less than $1.50 on it, or less than $2 is a very small risk, considering the average true range as you see down here is $2.54. So again, market's contracted, and if we pop up through Friday's high at 113.70, I think that could provide a good trade. Again, you could wait for the market to penetrate up through 113.70 and simply wait for a pullback to get a better price. I mean, I often do that as well. So you don't necessarily have to have a buy stop there at 113.70. You could wait for it to hit and then wait for it to back and fill. If you've got time during the day, you could certainly pull up an intraday chart and wait for a pullback into a logical support zone once you see that trigger at 113.70 hit. So there's a lot of ways you could trade this. Let's take a look at the overall market. Again, uncharted territory. Again, Friday closed above 1800, and we are trading at 1802.50 right now. We've already traded up to 118.06. So this market is just incredibly strong. So again, I'm just waiting for a logical pullback into a support zone before getting along into the zone. Again, historically speaking, between November and March is always the strongest market in the time in the market, rather. Again, between November and March is always the most bullish time, and it'll be interesting to see if we can keep that, this year and the beginning of next year, considering how strong the market has been. But right now, the one level, it's a big level, is right down here, right? I would consider that a somewhat significant low. This low here needs to be penetrated before any indication of a downward correction. I mean, really, back down to 1774.5. So you're talking 30 points from now. I mean, we're at 1804, so a 30-point movement down breaking 1774.5 would be really the first indication that we may see some type of correction. So this has been just an incredibly strong year. Hope that helps. Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.